Port Charlotte to Cape Coral got a couple of quick little tropical downpours kind of firing up this morning. This is what happens when you get into a west wind pattern. You start bubbling up these big old tropical downpours, and typically in our area it'll be after the sun comes up, so in a little bit we'll start to late morning-ish or so start bubbling up some showers and storms, and then by the middle of the afternoon they kind of start their little march inland and toward the east coast. That's just our west wind pattern. The other part of this pattern is that you have these mornings where it's like 78 to 81 degrees, and it's incredibly steamy outside with that west wind. Just pours the humidity onshore. So yes, you can cut the humidity with a knife as you walk out the door this morning. It's in the mid to upper 70s across I-10. And I say that because they're under their heat advisory again in the same spot as yesterday. From Jacksonville to Pensacola, a heat advisory, but the heat advisory now extends southward to Ocala. So it's literally just north of us, the heat advisory. And then there's a huge excessive heat warning out for the Memphis area today, just to the east of Little Rock as well. Look at all of these heat advisories. And it was last week, it was the East Coast. Now it's kind of setting up here in the deep south, and a big heat dome is, I think, early next week going to set up shop over the southeast, and we're going to get hotter too. Get ready, folks. It's only late June. So pretty quiet. We're just going to have those little pop-up showers and storms today. And you'll notice, based on, the future radar trends, that it'll be kind of late morning-ish, early into the afternoon. Here come those west winds, and we're going to pop up these showers and storms. And then 2 o'clock, they're still kind of developing. By 4 or 5 o'clock, watch, they just start that little push inland and toward the east coast. And then we'll do the same thing again for tomorrow as well. There is an area of disturbed weather. It is really far to the south here in the tropics. It's really just kind of bumping up against South America, if you can believe that. However, it is projected to kind of roll through the Caribbean. You see the line here, and then the potential for it to develop somewhere near the Yucatan Peninsula over the next 7 days. Something we're keeping an eye on right now. Nothing to be concerned about. High temperatures today, about 91 degrees with those scattered storms developing and moving inland. Warm, and I like to use the term sultry tonight with a low of 79 degrees. And then tomorrow, another steam bath as those storms move inland with highs in the lower 90s. Cape Boaters, another light chop on the coastal waters for you. The water temperature's sneaking back up. It's at 88 now. Thursday and Friday, the drier days around here in terms of rainfall, but then the rain machine kicks back in for Saturday and Sunday.